things that the wheels be connected to. The truck, like the little silver thing that be right there, and the wheels be on the side. That thing was spray painted on black.
Oh, the axle or whatever?
Yeah.
This isn't working. And I'm running out of battery life too. Oh, that was tight.
Oh, no. Peace out.
Bye.
You want to stay in the house?
No.
Put it go in?
Huh?
Put it go in?
I don't know.
Are you here? You felt it? Like your ears was rattling? New people moved in over there. You know that?
Hmm?
New people moved in over there.
Oh.
The one with that blue motorcycle. I wish we could have took a picture of that, all the lighting. And put it on your MySpace.
What?
I said you could have took a picture of all that lighting and put it on your MySpace.
Yeah, I wanted to, but I can't catch it.
Where your brother at?
Oh, he's not here. He went with his friends.
Nessa?
It's recording, and it sucks because I'm not getting anything.
Oh, why didn't you try that a long time ago?
Want the pictures? Okay, this isn't working. Like, the lightning is, like, over there.
Man, that was real cool. How lightning went all by.
Yeah, I did that a few
And
times.
this is like, veins.
Woo! There it goes! They do look like veins. It's awesome.
Man, I don't like that. I'm gonna cover my eyes next time.
Edward. This little boy. He's like, how old are you? 13. Oh, that's so cool. I love it.
How many times has you did that?
I have no idea.
A lot though? That would messed up if we get struck by lightning.
I probably will because I'm on the phone outside.
Is your camera like metal or
Probably.
aluminum or something?
I'm sure. Yeah, it's not the safest to be out here.
I might want to get some space between you.
You know, it can still strike you from, like, if the clouds are 10 miles away, it can still strike you. That was cool.
Oh, look at that inside. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, that's what that is. You know how they have that at the clubs, and then the light, they have like this big circle thing, and
Oh,
the
is that what that is?
Yeah, that's what that is. They have that by, you know that McDonald's is over there by that school? They have that.
I didn't know that.
It's like that little restaurant or club, whatever it is, they have that there.
Yeah, my battery's running out. Do you have any batteries I can borrow? have? Can I have them?
Huh?
You have AA batteries I can have?
Huh?
Do you have any AA batteries I can have?
Like, I use my AA batteries.
Yeah.
I need some myself. Because my batteries on my Xbox 360 is going out. Every time I
I thought
play.
you plugged it in.
Huh?
I thought you plugged it in.
No, it's wireless. It has no wire.
Oh.
But you can buy a wire for like $13 so you won't have to use batteries. Wouldn't want to do that. I have a wireless controller and a wired controller, but I don't like the wired controller. From right here with the wireless controller, I can still play
Oh.
right here.
You missed it. Oh. Maybe I should put it on mute. Hold on. Oh, I can't do it.
What?
I can't put the thing on mute. I don't know where the button is.
Put what on mute? The voice?
Ah! Okay, I did it.
Are you still here?
No, I'm on mute. He can't hear me.
Oh. It takes AA batteries? You don't have like a charger? Oh, that's... What?
I'm listening to what they're saying on the phone.
Alright, I'll be right back. I'm trying to spray paint my other truck.
Okay.